Hey everybody, this is J Ray from the J Ray channel. And I just wanted to come to you guys tonight to tell you about a change that's happened to our channel that you may have noticed recently. Our name, the J Ray channel, has changed to J Ray's Kitchen. Now the reason for that is because I've done some research lately to try to find ways to make our channel better, to serve you guys, and to make us more successful. And one of the things that I've learned about is when you have mixed content on a channel like I do with the cooking and the entertainment and the hunting, it can make it harder for YouTube to recommend my videos to someone who's looking for specific content. So to fix that, the channel has split. So if you're watching this video right now, you're probably subscribed to J Ray's Kitchen. But I will put a link in the description below. Click on that, they'll take you over to the J Ray channel, and all you gotta do there, subscribe, and go to the channel page and look for that little bell. It's a notification bell. Click on that so that you get all of our new videos when they come out. So what does this mean for you? Well, it doesn't mean anything different other than there's going to be another channel to subscribe to if you like my entertainment. But what's the future of the J Ray channel going to be? Well, to make it simple, we're going to have a channel that's going to be food and cooking related. That's J Ray's Kitchen. We're going to have a channel that's the J Ray channel that's going to take all the entertainment and anything that is just fun and enjoying to watch. It's not food related. It's just kind of a mixture of entertainment. And then later on down the road, get ready for it, there's going to be a third channel. It's going to be a podcast channel that me and my buddy Derek Hyde are going to be putting together. That's still in the works, but get ready for it because it's coming. So that's all I wanted to tell you guys tonight. The channel has split. We got J Ray's Kitchen and the J Ray channel. Cooking and food, entertainment and fun. The cooking and food is still going to be funny and entertaining, but it's going to be solely about food and cooking. The entertainment is just going to be a mixture. We're going to do a lot of fun stuff. Still got some good stuff coming. Remember, something big is coming. If you watched that video before, that's still in the works. That wasn't this. There's also another little line of videos that I'm going to be doing. A lot of imagination's going into it. A lot of fun. Got a lot of friends that I work with that have been giving me a lot of ideas and tips for it. I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. If you like history and you like having fun, it's going to be good. So thank you guys for watching tonight. Appreciate all your comments, all your likes, all your shares. And make sure and keep on commenting. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this video, what you think about ideas for future videos. I definitely want to make this channel for you guys, not just for me. I like to do this. This is a lot of fun, but it's a whole lot better when I know that you guys are enjoying it. And that's why I'm striving to make everything as good as I can about this channel, so that you'll stay tuned. Y'all have a good night, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on J Ray's Kitchen and the J Ray channel. I just love living between two busy highways. It's so loud. Can't make videos outside. Oh, did I mention that airplanes usually fly over when they're going to the airport to land? You can hear every single one of them. So if you're watching this video right now, it's because you're stupid. Turn the light back on. Mother Teresa, everybody except for Joe Biden.
I guess you could say I chopped the channel in half. Oh, I'm so funny.